Hello everyone! Welcome to our back-to-school adventure. Today, we're going to learn all about the exciting supplies we need for school and some fun vocabulary words. Are you ready? Let's dive in! Do you know what this is? That's right! It's a book! We write our lessons and draw pictures in them. You can also read them in a library. Books teach us a lot about the world. Can you tell me what these are? These are crayons! We use them to color and make our artwork beautiful! I wonder what this could be. Did you say a pencil? You're so smart! A pencil is mainly used for artistic sketching and drawing, or to take notes in the classroom. Writing with a pencil is so much fun! Next up, can you guess what this is? It's a book bag! Another name for it is a backpack! A backpack is a large bag that is carried on the back. Backpacks are often used for activities like camping, hiking, or walking, or for school to carry books. They can come in different sizes, colors, fabrics, and shapes. Do you have a backpack? Now, adventurers, this is a big one. I know you know what this is. Can you tell me? A desk is a piece of furniture with a flat surface that is used for writing, reading, or working. Desks often have drawers, compartments, or pigeonholes. They can be found in schools, offices, and homes, and are used for academic, professional, or domestic activities. This thing is a sticky substance that is used for joining things together. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's glue! At school, glue is used for arts and crafts. There's one more item on our list. What did you say it was? A what? Scissors! They're scissors! Scissors are a tool that consists of two blades. They are used to cut thin materials such as paper, cloth, cardboard, metal foil, rope, and wire. Using scissors can help you develop fine motor skills and strengthen your hand muscles, but make sure you have a grown-up with you when you use them. This has been quite the adventure. We hope you're ready for school and as excited as we are to explore all of the new opportunities and new people you'll meet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time.